Hey guys, this is your watch me first for the TK20 submission. So here you have two things that you have to submit for TK20. You have to submit your math field observation and the reflection of the lesson that you taught. So when you click on it, you're going to be able to see your name, and you can just click on that name and then you can submit your papers. Remember, you have to submit both the math observation feedback form that I gave you, all the sheets, plus it needs to be signed by you and your mentor teacher, the cooperating teacher. Okay, so you have to have the forms, all of those sheets of the observation paper with all the signatures and your reflection. And here is where you are going to put your unit plan. Whether you're doing your science unit plan or your math unit plan, I need you to upload your unit plan here. So when you click on this link, you can select your name and then you will get it. And you may only be seeing your name because I'm an instructor. I can see everybody's names. So once you submit from this link, it will directly go to TK20 and you do not have to find anything over there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. All right, we are at the end, guys. Let's do this.